Hey folks, today I want to talk about a project that I'm about to start. As I said before, I've been working with React for a while now, many years actually, and it still feels like magic. Of course, I understand all those fancy words like server component, error boundaries, suspense, virtual DOM, reconciliation, etc. But to be honest, I don't know how they are implemented. I was thinking at the end of the day it's just JavaScript, alright? I'm supposed to be able to implement those features from scratch. In theory at least. Well, that's the plan. I would love to give it a try and rebuild React from scratch. Of course, I will not be able to implement 100% of the features, but I identified the main concepts that I would love to implement, at least a simplified version of them, like the virtual DOM, define and reconciliation algorithm, hooks and context API, also the features related to the server aspect of it, like server-side rendering, server components, suspense, and streaming. If this plan goes well, maybe I will give a try even to the compiler, the new compiler that was introduced in the last version 19. I will think about it later. If we go to the code base on GitHub, we'll see the main packages in this folder package. Actually, I don't know if you know this trick, but GitHub now offers a VS Code in the browser. If you hit the dot button, it will open a new tab with the code base inside the VS Code, which is very handy to navigate it. So pretty cool. I like it. Let me zoom a little bit. Well, here there is like 35 package, I believe. I will not dive into each one of them, but I identified a few of them that I think are the one with the code for the main features. There is the React package that defines components, hooks, and I believe also synthetic events, etc. The core features, I think. React DOM is the one responsible for rendering to the browser. To be honest, I don't know what is the relationship or nuances between React DOM and React DOM binding. An interesting thing to figure out. React Reconciler, I believe, is the one responsible for define and reconciliation. The scheduler that batches updates, and using external store that synchronize with an external data source. And the last two packages have some utilities that I guess are used across the whole code base. So those are the main packages that I would like to investigate and rebuild from scratch. And I was thinking maybe it will be interesting to have an application for this project. An application that first I build using Vanilla.js and then re-implemented using my version of React. The purpose of this approach is to feel the pain involved in building a reactive application using Vanilla.js and then understand the benefit that React brought to the table. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.